I just did have it started about a half hour ago, and can't get it going now. Of course, I left the screwdriver to adjust the carburetor in the garage. Man, it's kind of tiring pulling this thing. No signs of life here. I don't know what's going on here. I got the choke on. It's on. There's gas in it. Oh man. Take this top cover off. Not sure what that would do, but oh my. I'm gonna go grab the screwdriver real quick. Bear with me. Hi friends. Got myself a flathead screwdriver. Gonna tweak on it a little bit. I don't know. It's kind of frustrating. This doesn't want to seem to get going. There we go. So I just did a little bit of a turn out. Let me show you. My goodness, this is the reality of some of these older saws, but nice yellow Mcculloch for sure. But this bottom screw, this bottom screw right here, see it down there? I just turned that just slightly out, so that's gonna allow more, I think, either air or fuel in. I think fuel as it goes through there. And so that seemed to have did the trick. So put some oil in this. Screen's broken out, you can see. So it is hard to start, but put some oil in it. Some bar oil. It's a brand new 16-inch Oregon advanced cut bar, brand new chain, Oregon chain. There's some carvings on the side. It's a ProMac 1010, so it's old reliable here, but just needs a little TLC. So I think that'll fire now for me. I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna saw that little log in half. See how it goes. Let's see, get you guys positioned. There we are. Yeah, you get the case too. There's actually water in the bottom part of the case, but overall it's in between the two plastics, so I'd have to maybe put a little hole in the bottom of it, but I'm just gonna sell it as is. There's some water floating around. I try to get it out, I can't get it out, so just let it alone. It's actually a nice case. This thing fits a little snug in there, but it does fit. So sell it with the saw. All right, screw this back on. She should fire up, I would think, a couple more pulls. Maybe it got a little flooded or something, but I don't know, friends, that's, you know, see, now it'll run all day long, but I think it just got a little bit flooded or something, but there it is. You can see how it started pretty rough. I don't know what happened there, but maybe just some flooding. Like I said, I had full throttle, it seemed to clear it, no problem. And so she's idling a little high. I'm going to take the screwdriver. Hardly see it. I'm going to take the screwdriver, I'm going to turn it down just a tad. That's good. It works like it's supposed to, other than the rough starting. Here's the case. You can see it's pretty nice. There's some water in this plastic down here, but it's a nice case overall. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this puppy in half. Thanks for watching, friends. That cut through that like Swiss cheese or butter with a hot knife or whatever you want to say, but yeah, you can see it's working good now and oil's good. Just a little hard starting. Brand new barn chain that really worked good. That wood is really old, dry, so it cuts right through it. The brake works good, as you can see. Racing a little bit. I gotta turn it down just a tad more. That's racing too fast for me. Watch the bar swing.